Hello everyone, welcome to classroom of chemistry. So the results are out of IIT JAM. So congratulations to the selected candidates, and don't worry, the other students which are not qualified for IIT JAM. There are many entrance examinations of DU, HCU, BHU which are equivalent to the sum of IITs. So here we will discuss about the entrance examination of University of Hyderabad, which is a popular university for research. It is equivalent to the top IITs of our country. So firstly we will discuss about the eligibility criteria of Hyderabad Central University. It is known as University of Hyderabad as well. It is a requirement is the 60% marks at your graduation, and your combination must be physics and mathematics. Mathematics is a important part of the entrance examination of University of Hyderabad. We will discuss it later about the syllabus of the University of Hyderabad. Now I want to share some information about the exam. So the duration of the exam is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes, and the number of the question is 100, and each question carries 1 marks with a negative marking of 0.33 per question. So you can notice that you have to solve 100 questions in just 120 minutes. So you have to be quick and tricky, but you have to remember that thing also, that you don't have to solve 100 questions. If you solve 100 questions, you will not qualify. You have to attend 60 to 70 questions properly. The exam pattern of the entrance examination will be MCQ. There is no MSQ, or there is no numerical questions. The exam mode is offline. Yes, it is offline examination. It is not like BHU is online. You have to select your home center and solve it on. You have given a OMR sheet and you have to solve it. And the application mode is online. So we will discuss now the exam fee. For general, the exam fee is 600, EWS 550 rupees, OBC 400 rupees, SC ST PWD 275 rupees, half of the general. So it is the fee structure of Hyderabad Central University of all categories. Now we will go to our syllabus, which is the most important part of this video, and you wanted also that syllabus. I will show you the detailed syllabus after it. All entrance examinations of our India is equivalent to our IIT JAM syllabus, but there is some changes for Hyderabad Central University. It contains 11-12 maths also, and 25% question will come from 11-12 math. So if we divide the number of questions, 25 to 30 questions from physical, 25 from inorganic, and 25 from organic, and 25 from math. If you skip the math portion, we will not be qualified. So you have to do math. Don't worry, it is so easy. I will make a separate video of maths. Okay. don't worry about the math, but you have to solve math questions to qualify the exam. So the average cutoff is 53 through 55 for general. So you have to solve 60 to 70 questions to secure your rank. The 2019 cutoff is 55, 2020 cutoff is 50, and I also qualified for the 2020 exam, and I got 53 marks and secured a rank of AIR 24. I know you are worried about the application form. For the pandemic situation, it will delay some time. So I think it start from June 2021 to and end up July 2021, and the probable entrance examination date is September 2020. It may be 20 to 30 September. And the most wanted thing is the number of seat. Generally they selected 50 students, but in our case they selected 60 students, 10 students extra. It will up and down, it depends on the university, but the seat for the general is 35. So you have to go for 60 to 70 question correctly. First solve the questions you can do the most, then go for the difficult one, and you have to be quick and tricky as well to solve to qualify for the exam, and you have to go for the mathematics. So we will now discuss about the syllabus as I promised you. So I wanted to show the IIT JAM syllabus. So here we start with the physical chemistry, the atomic and molecular structure, the fundamental particles. In entrance examination, the quantum part is less important, so you can skip that, but you go for theory of gases, read all the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, equipartition energy, and other non-ideal ideal equations. Okay, solid state, you have to go for close packing, atomic radius. The density questions are also important. Okay, chemical thermodynamics, it's also a important chapter of this entrance examination. Revise all the formulas, make a short note of this. Chemical and phase equilibrium, law of mass action, Kp, Kc, Kx, go for these relations, effect of the temperature, ionic equilibrium, pH. pH is a most important part, solubility of product, then electrochemistry, conductance. You have to make short notes for the chapters, because you will not get much time to study the whole chapter. Just go for the make short notes and revise it again and again. Short notes are important for the last day revision. I want to say that actually. The chemical kinetics, go for the Arrhenius equation, and the photochemical process is not important. Enzyme kinetics are important. Go for the order, and the zeroth order, first order, second order. That's it. Absorption is not important that much. Spectroscopy is important. Fundamental rotational, vibrational spectroscopy are important. Here organic chemistry, basic concepts. The GOC, general organic chemistry, is very important. Please follow the orders, inductive hyperconjugate steric effects, and go for the stereochemistry part also. Organic reactions, go for the name reaction and reagents, that's it. There is nothing else. Just go for the remind your what you studied in IIT JAM, the name reactions and the reagents. UV IR NMR spectroscopy is important part. Just for NMR, how to predict a structure, also solve that problems. Natural products are not that much important. Aromatic heterocyclic chemistry also not important part. Now we will discuss about the inorganic chemistry. Transition metals are most important part of the entrance examination. You go for the coordination complexes, the problems. Go for the short notes, make short notes. SP blocks are important also. Transition metals and SP block is very important. Bioinorganic chemistry it's not important that much, but you can don't skip that. Instrumental chemistry you can skip analysis, the instrumental methods. And analytical chemistry is also not important for HCU exam. It is important for BHU. I will discuss it later in another video. Okay, so the entrance examination of Hyderabad University is mostly about physical chemistry. And then organic chemistry, and then inorganic chemistry. So you have to short note make short note. Make short note formulas of all important chapters. Organic chemistry, name reaction, reagents, and NMR, IR, UV. Inorganic chemistry mainly SP block and coordination chemistry. Mainly SP block elements and coordination chemistry. And the main part is also important. You can't skip the mathematics part. The mathematics 11th, 12th, 11th and 12th mathematics. That is probability, geometry, limit, calculus, and so on. Just go for 11, 12 math. Just go for the formulas, go for the chapters just once and solve problems around. And the most important part is you have to if you want to secure any rank or qualified for any want to qualify any entrance examination, you have to solve at least 5 to 6 years of previous years. Questions, that is HCU, DU, BHU. If you qualify that examinations, you have to solve at least 5 to 6 years of previous year questions. I will try to provide some solutions of the previous year, and that's all for the video. Thank you for watching, and try your best, don't lose hope. IIT is not everything. These central universities are also equivalent to IITs. If you get chance to do your MSc here, it is a very proud moment for you. Don't lose hope, never give up, study hard. All the best for your exams. Thank you.